Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how you can fix Shopify opening soon page. Okay, so if you give the link of your Shopify to your friend or your customers and they are not able to go to the product page or check your store because they see this coming soon page in the screen. Now here is how you can remove it or how you can fix this. Okay, so first thing you need to do, guys, is check. Okay, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. Okay, and you want to click here on apps and sales channels and check here if you have page fly. Now the app page fly allows you guys to create a coming soon page. Okay, so if you have that app here, you just need next to it, you just need to click on three little dots or any app that helps you create the coming soon page. You just need to remove it, okay, because probably you don't want it anymore. Now you have fixed everything on your store and now you want to launch your store, so you can remove it. Now if you don't have any app here, then what you need to do, guys, is you just need to go back, and then you want to click here, okay, on online store, okay, and then you want to click on preferences. After, guys, you click on preferences, you want to scroll down, okay, and here you will find this box checked because as you can see here, okay, this box you will find it checked, okay, and here you will find the passwords. Okay, so if someone I'm going to try it right now, so I'm going to set a password for my store, and as you can see it says here opening soon, okay, because I set the password. Okay, so what you need to do in this case, you want to remove the password and uncheck this box that says restrict access to visitors with password. You want to uncheck it, okay, toggle this off, okay, like this, and then you want to click on save in the top right. Now in case this box is not clickable, it's guarded, that means you haven't selected that plan, because on Shopify you will have to pay monthly. I would say the first month is $1, okay. You need to pay for the plan, okay, in order to remove password from your Shopify store. That's exactly how Shopify works, guys. You want to go to settings and you want to click on plan and you want to select a plan. As you can see, I have already selected the plan. For me it's $1, as you can see, for the first month. Okay, I hope, guys, this one helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next one.